If you look calm, but your body feels on guard underneath, if you're capable, responsible, and high functioning, this video is for you. In the past videos, we've explored why meditation doesn't always work the way we expect. This video is all about who this work is really for and what changes when we start working with the mind and body. This work is for competent ones, people who carry a lot. You show up, you handle things, you hardly ever fall apart, but underneath there's tension, this feeling of the body that's still staying slightly on guard, even when there's nothing wrong. Now, you may have already tried meditation, therapy, a lot of insight work, and you might even have a pretty good understanding about yourself. But understanding alone doesn't fully settle the nervous system. That is not a flaw. That's physiology. At some point, insight might stop becoming the missing piece. Resetting the nervous system becomes the work. In one of my private group sessions, one participant, she is a physician, came in feeling completely overwhelmed and exhausted. Like many of us, if you can relate to this, she carries a tremendous amount of responsibility. But when she sat down to meditate, she was simply a real normal human being, just like any of us. And this is what she wrote after the session together. I felt deeply calm. I had no sense of how long we had been there. For the first time in a while, my mind wasn't racing. Now, her life didn't change in that 1 hour session together, but her state shifted. And when your state shifts, your perception shifts. You don't need new circumstances. You need to be in a new state. The reset, even in just one session, changes the way you experience the same life. And that's the difference between insight and integration. Your nervous system controls how safe or stressed you feel. Even when nothing is actually wrong, when your nervous system stays on guard, subtle stress can feel amplified. You overthink longer, you recover slower, rest feels incomplete. But when your nervous system resets, flexibility returns. Of course, you still have responsibilities, but you are not bracing against them. You respond instead of react. You recover instead of ruminate. Calm becomes accessible not something fragile you're trying to protect. That is not personality. That is state. And state is actually trainable. This work is not about trying to stay calm. It's not about escaping your reality. It's definitely not about becoming someone else. And it's not about overriding stress with techniques while ignoring your body. This work builds capacity. It teaches the nervous system that it doesn't have to stay on guard all the time. And capacity changes everything. When the mind and body reset together, people start noticing changes like they recover faster from difficult conversations, they sleep deeper, they don't replay interactions as long, they are more present without trying to perform presence. Not because life becomes easier, but because they no longer fighting it internally. That shift compounds in leadership, in relationships, and in health. If this isn't just information for you, if you're recognizing yourself in this, you may need integration. This is the work I hold space for, helping you expand the gap between doing and being, helping your nervous system learn how to reset and stay flexible instead of staying on guard. If this resonates, you can reach out to me at boncharat.com. Whether you watch every video in this series or this is your first one, I hope you take this with you. You don't need to force your way into calm. When mind and body reset together, life begins to feel different. And that's even before your circumstances do.